Okay, when you see my shared screen, kindly type 2. Okay. Before we dive into the topic, or once again, welcome guys sa ating day 4 of the program, which is we are discussing uh, the first step of coding, ano? And this is the Scratch. Scratch is an online service where we can code and we can create the things that uh, hindi natin akalain na magkakagawa tayo ng mga bagay. Okay? Before we start with the session proper, let me show you something. Ano? Okay. If you can see my application, kindly type 3 in the chat box. Type 3 if you can see my application. Okay. Let me first start our program. Have fun. Okay. What you saw is a simple application that when I talk, the sprites move on their own, and also the character, the female character, said something, and she says, "Have fun." Okay, that's all for the introduction of today's session. Okay, let's start with the session proper. And by the way, uh, the session number 2 that tackles the okay, for the session number 2, interactivity and events, there will be a separate a recorded video. But that recorded video will focus only on the activities. And maybe if the The presentation has exercises. I will provide some of the application. Okay, and you will access, or you can access the recorded videos along with this session, with our session today, maybe tomorrow, either umaga or hapon. Ano? Ayan. Okay. Now, okay, let's start with the session proper for the day four. Um, for the day four. Okay, and for today's lesson, you will learn what is broadcasting and also the messages. These two are the two functions of the Scratch. Ano? Okay. Okay. In our day-to-day activities, communication is very important, guys. Ano? And that is one of the function that you will learn in Scratch, how to communicate from one sprite to another sprite. Ano? And not only 1:1, but 1:2, 1:3, or 1:5, 6, 7, 8, so on and so forth. Okay. The broadcast block. The broadcast block is a way to send a message to other sprite in the project. It's like sending a signal that other sprites can listen to and respond to. When we create broadcast, when we put the block broadcast in our sprite, the respond or the response will or the other sprite will get the response. Ano? You don't need to put together the broadcast and the receiving block. It should be in two separate sprites. Okay. To broadcast, we will use the broadcast block. Other sprite, we will use naman the listening block. Okay. Or to be exact, we will use the receive block. Receive block is one of the listening for specific message. Be sure what you broadcast or what message you broadcast, the other sprite will receive the same message. For example, if teacher Jet broadcast message 1, all of the students or all of the sprites must receive the same message 1. That's the logic of broadcast and receive. Okay. And another receive block is always at the top of the blocks of code. Okay. Sprites can react to broadcasted message by using when a receive block. This block triggers when the specific message is broadcasted. Benefits of a broadcast and message block. This block allow sprites to communicate without directly knowing about each other. It promotes modular design and interaction between different parts of the project. You can also use them to separate different logic in your code on the same sprite, making it easier to read and find later on. Okay, this is an example of the interactivity story. Okay, imagine uh, choose your own adventure story where your choices affect the outcome. We can use the broadcast and the messages block to make this interactive. active. What you are seeing right now is the first sprite where we will use this sample sprite or sample code. Yung when, forever, if, key, write, broadcast, if, so on, and support. Okay. And then, uh, on the receiving end or the other sprite, you are allowed to skip the usage of plug. What you will do is you will add the when I receive block. Be sure once again that the sprite 1 to the other sprite must have the same function or message 1. Ano, later you will learn how to create message 1 or function 1 or whatever function we create on the block. Okay. Then also we use the separations of block. This is another example of the main sprite broadcasting to the other sprite. You can use broadcast and the messages to separate apart of your block rather than keeping them all in one set. This makes your code much easier to understand and trace the errors. Okay, let's have playing musical instrument. Okay, on the item 1, add guitar and drum kit sprite from the sprite library. Number 2, the sound for each instrument is already included when you add the sprite. Okay, let's open our Scratch. You can use guys different type or different version of your browser, either Chrome, Edge, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba available? Marami namang available na browser. No? You can use any of them. Okay. For me, I'll be using the Chrome. Ayan. Okay. In my Scratch interface, I will create a file and I will rename the file day for sample. Okay. And then once I created the or rename the file, click file and then save in order for us to revisit the file later. Ano? Okay. What are the two steps? The first two steps for this activity, playing musical instrument. First, add guitar and the drum kit. Okay. In the Scratch, we will look for our guitar and the drum kit. Click choose sprite and then on the search box, type guitar. Ayan. We have three different guitars available to choose from. Ano? Ang pipiliin natin ay yung first guitar. Ito, double click and then drum kit. Once again, choose a sprite. Then let's type drum and then once again, it's up to you what uh, drum you will choose. For me, I will choose drum, the first uh, image or sprite. Okay. I-align lang natin ng konti. Ayan. Okay. First sprite is the cat. Second sprite is the guitar. And the third sprite is the drum kit. Okay. Along with the sprite, it also has its own costumes and sounds. Okay. We don't need to create or record any sound for a particular sprite. Ano? Always meron siyang kasama. Ano? It's up to us if we want to add our custom sound. Okay. What is item number two? The sound for each instrument is already included. Okay. Let's proceed with the item or step number three. Okay. When the cat sprite is clicked, it will broadcast a message. Play the music to both the guitar and the drum kit. Okay, let's remember the code that we are seeing right now. Ayan. When the sprite click, broadcast, play song. Okay, let's go to our Scratch. That code is for the cat. Okay, for the cat. And then we can look for the flag, the green flag, and green flag is always on the event. Ayan. Okay. Then look for when the sprite is clicked. When the sprite is clicked, ito. And then event. When the sprite is clicked, ito. Ayan. And then, ano pa ba? Ano ba sabi dito? Broadcast. Okay. Broadcast is in the same events. Ito. Okay. Then, we can change its content or its function. Yan. We can change or we can choose the default one, the message one, or we can create our own function. Okay, let's create our own. Play song. Okay, click OK. Then, uh, it will broadcast a message to play the music to both the guitar and the drum kit. Okay, then play a sounds for the guitar and the drum kit. Both remaining sprites must listen to the broadcast. Okay, let's go to the guitar. In the guitar, we choose when I receive. This one. When I receive, okay, a while ago, we created our own function or play song message. Be sure the kit, the guitar, and the drum must have the same function in their receive block. Okay, then let's add the forever. Forever is andito sa control. Ayan. And then let's add the costume because every sprite is or are always uh, has their own costumes and sounds. Let's check for the number of costume the guitar has. Ano? Okay. The guitar has dalawa lang. The drum, dalawa din lang. Okay. Tig dalawa yung guitar and drum. Okay, nandito tayo sa guitar, sa kanyang code. Ayan. And then, let's change the costume once the music plays. Ano? Okay. Next costume is on sound. Not sound. Saan ba ang sound? Tensing? Ah, ito. Nasa next costume ang sound. Ito. Ayan. Okay. Then, next is weight. Ang weight ay nasa control. Ito. Point, let's alter the value from 1 to 0.1 or simply point 1 or 2. 2 na lang. 0.2 seconds. Ayan. Okay. Then, let's uh, let's make this into a full screen. Okay. What is the Okay, ito. Number 3. Ang sabi, when the cat sprite is clicked, the sprite or the other sprite will play the music or will change its costume. Okay. For the meantime, wala muna tayong sound or audio. Costume muna. Okay. Let's click the play plug button. Okay. Be sure to click the first sprite, which is the cat. Okay. Can you see some changes in the guitar? Kindly type 1. Okay. Nag-iiba na. Parang ano, parang ah, vibrating, no? Yung ano, yung ating guitar. Pero hindi naman lahat. Yung ano lang, yung my strings nagba-vibrate. Okay. We have the assurance that the program is running. Now, uh, we will also add some uh, effect to the drum kit. Okay, let's stop our app and then we can copy naman para we can copy the whole program para hindi na tayo mag-type, ano? That is the very simple tip or simple trick in order for us to shorten our coding time. Okay, you can choose the whole block, then on your keyboard, Control C, okay, and then go to the drum kit. Okay, be sure you are in the same tab, code tab. Okay, place your pointer on the white screen of the drum kit. And then in your keyboard, Control V as in victory. And then we have uh, pasted our copied code uh, a while ago. Okay. Then let's stop for the meantime. Okay, and then forget this is the most important task of every developer. Either you are young, adult, or young at heart. File, save now. Okay, now we have the code or app for the sprite or cat and also the receive block for the guitar and the drum. Okay, let's make this in a full screen. Okay, let's start again by clicking the flag or the run button. Okay, in order for us to run this app, make sure you click our orange cat or si Garfield yata ito, Garfield. And click the cat. Okay, type 2, if you can see guitar and drum kit has the changes in their kindly type 2 in the chat box. Kung meron kayo nakikitang pagbabago, changes in the images, guitar and the drum kit. Okay, meron na tayong uh, activity ng guitar and the drum kit. Okay, let's stop for now and then let's add some audio. Okay, click guitar sprite and then code. Okay, and then when I receive again and then click forever and then start sound, guitar sprite, and then click start sound, play inside the forever block, and then from the start sound, you can choose from the two option, C2 guitar, ayan, maraming available na sound, marami siyang available, C, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth. For the meantime, we will choose only two sounds, two sounds only. Okay. And then C2 guitar, and then wait again, wait, wait block. Wait block is in the events code. Wait. Oh, not event. Control rather. Control. Okay. And then place the wait block below the start sound and change it from 1 into 0.2 second. Okay. Then let's add another sound or simply duplicate and then start sound um, B guitar na lang. Ayan. Pwede nating baguhin tong 0.5. Ayan. Okay. This will be the code for our audio. Ah, okay. First, before you code this, let me try to play first. Okay. Full screen, green flag, or the play button. Then click the cat. If you can hear the sound, kindly type 3 in the chat box. Type 3. Okay. For the sound, guys, it's up to you what sound you want to select. Ano? You can add. Well, it's up to you for the ano, kung ilang sound ang ilalagay. Okay. Then let's add some for the guitar also. For the drum kit rather. Drum kit. If we want to add some, be sure guys, if you want to add some, this is for uh, functionality of the sprite. Ano? If you want add or if you want to see some activity or some engagement for a particular sprite, be sure you select that sprite. Okay, now we want to add music for the drum kit. Be sure to click the drum kit, not the guitar, not the kit, the drum kit. Kasi ito yung ating lalagyan ng a sound. Ano? Then, copy na lang natin to. Copy. And then, click drum kit. And then, dito sa white space, in your keyboard, control victory or V. Ayan. Then, we will change the sound for the drum kit. Start sound, low, and high. Okay. We are now, yan, medyo, wait lang guys, maliit pala. Hmm, wait nga. Okay. Medyo maliit pala yung code pag nag-zoom in, di makikita. Okay. We do have an activity, but before you make that activity, I will first upload this in the LMS. Ano? That will be your reference for this activity. Madali lang guys yung activity natin. I'm hoping na magawa. Okay, first let us make this in a full screen. And currently, we do have the changes for the guitar and for the drum kit. And also, not only for the images, we do have the sounds for the guitar and for the drum kit. Okay, let us play the or click the play button, which is the green flag. And then click your kit. Ayan. If you hear something, if you can hear something, some audio from the guitar and the drum kit, kindly type 4 in the chat box. Okay ba guys? Ang ating app? Type yes if okay ang ating ginawang app. Ano sound? Ano sound? Wait lang guys. No sound. Okay kaya. Wait lang guys ha. No sound. Okay, can you hear the sound now? Kindly type 1. Can you hear the sound? Kindly type 1. Okay, did you hear the sound? Kindly type 1 in the chat box. Okay, guys, did you hear the sound? Kindly type 1. Wala na sa sound. Bakit kaya wala? Okay, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Type 1. Okay. Mhm. Okay, can you hear the sound now? Okay. Okay, let me stop for a while. And then you can copy the code or okay, this is for the, this code is for the cat sprite one. You can copy this one and do this on your Right. Okay, once again, I have mentioned earlier there will be another recorded video, and that video is for the activities and exercises of day 2. Okay. And those video will be available if not today, tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Are you done with this sprite cat from typing from creating the blocks of sprite? Can we move on with the guitar sprite? Type 1. Okay. Dito tayo sa sprite. Guitar. Ayan. Okay. You can copy the code for the guitar or not code. Copy the block. Ano? Because we do not code naman, we only choose the blocks that uh, guys, if I will give you a tip, ano, for you uh, to learn or to stay ahead, just keep on practicing. If we do not have the class or in your spare time, you can open your Scratch and do some activity. Ayan. You can play around with the blocks and if your program runs ano, without an error, well, it's a good program. If not, then move on with another activity. Keep on practicing, guys. That's the key. Okay. Are you done with the guitar sprite? Kindly type 2. Okay. For the drum kit, you just need to copy. Same lang sila. Click nyo guys etong one I receive, copy, and then punta kayo sa guitar, Control V. Okay. And then, punta uli kayo sa guitar, copy nyo to when I receive, then Control C, punta uli kayo sa drum kit, and then Control V. Then, change the start sound ano ba to? Low tone and the high tone. Ayan. Then once you are done, kindly type done in the chat box. Okay, madali lang naman. Copy paste lang naman ang ginawa. Ano? Ilang seconds lang 'yan. 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. Once again, we do the full screen for our activity. We do we do have ano lang, one activity lang for today, ano. And I think I'm not sure if you can build the exercise. Medyo mahirap yung but the exercise that we will having for today's session, uh, we do have three exercises. Choose one from the three exercises. Okay, before we do the exercises, first we hit the play button or the green flag for our activity. Be sure guys that your activity is running. No? And once again, you can choose your preferred sound. It's up to you what sound you want. You can record your own sound, the sound you're gonna get, and not all sound, you can choose any of your musical instrument. Every musical instrument has their own costumes and sound. Okay. Are you ready for the exercises? Type 1 if you are ready for the exercises. Medyo ano to, medyo madami. Madugo, mahirap, but I know naman, kayang-kaya nyong gawin. Okay, but first, go to Scratch and then first we save our activity and then we click open, new, then change the title, day 4 underscore exercise. Okay. Then file, save now. Okay. Then go to, and let's proceed with the presentation. Okay. This will be the exercises you will choose from. Exercise 1, musical, and then instrument, then the remote control for the exercise 2, and then the orchestra for the exercise 3. Okay. Given the three exercises, choose one only. Either one, two, or three. Oh, save now. Okay, wait. Ito. File. Click on file. Amara, no? File. Ayan. Okay, some caption will be hidden if we zoom in our Scratch. Ano? Magtatago yung caption na file, save now. Pwedeng normal lang, normal. Normal size of the page. Ayan. Then file, save now. Okay. All of the students will have the save now button because we are using a tool provided by MIT. If we are using VS Code, it is a an offline tool. We can disable some of the function. Okay, but for the Scratch, what you are seeing right now is the same with your Scratch. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Choose from these three exercises. Okay. Pwede naman yon. Pwede. Save to computer. Ano? Pwede. Pwede yon. Well, I'm thinking bakit wala. Okay. If you do not have current, currently we do not, we don't know what happened for the some of the students. We do not have the, save now. But if you have save to your computer, pwede naman. Ano? Pwede. Okay. Ito na. You have 4 minutes to finish one of these exercises. Once you are done, kindly type done in the chat box. You can copy the code from the activity that we made a while ago. Ano? Yung ating sprite na cat, sprite na guitar, and the drum kit. Dito naman, it's up to you. Ano? It doesn't mean na if the content of exercise 2 is long, it doesn't mean it is hard to create the program. While exercise 1, it doesn't mean that if it has a fewer content, it is the easiest one to code. Sometimes it is the vice versa, no? Yung maliit, yung maigsi, yun ang mahirap. Yung mahaba, yun yung madali. Okay. You have 3 minutes to finish. Ano? And if you done something, it's okay. Okay lang. At least you da, you've done something for this for your exercise, either 1, 2, or 3. Okay, it's 2:59 or it's 3 o'clock. And before we end our session, I will show you again the uh, the code for the exercise 3. Okay, and before I show you the code or the application, the complete application, uh, let me ask you once again, do you have the access to your LMS? This one, the site, lms.philippinecoding.com. Type 1 if you have the access already. Kindly type 1 in the chat box. Okay. Kasi dito sa ating LMS, dito ko isi-send yung lahat ng ah, PowerPoint. If not PowerPoint, the codes and the YouTube link. Ano? Yung video natin, dito ko isi-send. But the link only, ano? Kasi hindi pwede mag-upload dito ng malaki. Ayan. Be sure, ask any personnel from the Philippine Coding Camp to give you an access to our lms.philippinecoding.com. Ano? Ito lang po yung official na ginagamit ng PCC. Okay, before we end our session, let me show you again the exercise 3. Okay. Not this one. Iba to, iba. Close muna natin. Exercise, ito. Wait lang guys. Ito guys. Uh, in my application, this is the exercise 3. Ano? I have a sprite. It is a male. Ano? Male pala kanina. I thought it is a girl. It is a male. And I have five sprites. The first one, let me, ano muna. Let me think. The cat, the bird, small bird, ano, I forgot this sprite of this one. Later makikita nyo naman kung ano yung sprite na ginamit natin. And the horse. Okay. And change to 75. Okay, the function of this is when yeah, nagde-deactivate. Okay. Once again, disable muna natin. I-activate again. Ayan. When the loudness of my voice reach a particular number, the sprites will activate or will do their own activities. Flying, walking, jumping, and will echo their sound or will play their own sound. Ano? And the character or the sprite one will say something. Ano? Once again, if this app re- uh, reaches a certain loudness of my voice, okay, I will set the loudness to 75. Okay? Have fun. Have fun. Ayan. The interaction, guys, between this app and my voice is loudness. The activity we've done a while ago, the interaction between the activity and me is clicking on the strike or yung get. This one, my voice. Okay. And this is the what we call the animal orchestra. Okay.